L4. This is spaceship X-14. Would somebody come in? Would somebody please come in? Please? Gee, Raj, I wonder who that other kid is. He hasn't been on the air since 4 o'clock. Maybe he's a little shrimp and can't stay out this late. Let's keep on trying for a little while longer.
We're getting something. Look, it's over here. Oh, boy.
I hope it's not another false alarm.
Look, a spaceship.
We're making history. We're Galileo, Columbus, and David Susskind all rolled into one.
Look, there were 2 Martians by the ship. Look how little they are.
Just like in the comic strips. We'll welcome them to planet Earth.
Hello there.
Ahoy, Martians! I guess they're just not used to Earth people. Can you imagine anyone being afraid of us?
Well, maybe their standards of beauty aren't as high as ours.
I'm getting scared. Those Martians might come back with a ray gun and disintegrate us. I'd feel like a perfect fool if they did.
Let's at least get some concrete evidence. We will take a picture of the ship. We can show it to the Air Force.
Good idea.
Say cheese. Knock it off and take the picture.